Every living thing has a genome, which is essentially the plan on how to make its body and how to control and operate its body too. And genomics is actually studying these genomes. We are sequencing them, which means we get every single base pair characterized to see how the plan is organized.
With a research grant from the Alberta Livestock and Meat Agency, or ALMA, Dr. Christoph Sensen and researchers at the University of Calgary use this opportunity to build on their previous research.
We are now trying to characterize BSE, which is a disease that affects cattle. And we have done a similar thing with chronic wasting disease, which is actually a similar disease to BSE that affects deer and moose.
Due to changes in technology, the time is right to move forward with this type of research.
Over the last 2 years, a few things have happened that really make this much easier than in the past. Sequencing the human genome took a lot of dollars, billions of dollars, to characterize a single genome. Now we have a new sequencing technology called next generation sequencing, which allows us to do this for a few $1,000s for the whole genome.
The structuring of the research is efficient and straightforward.
We have two components to it. We take actually blood samples from animals that are infected and we compare them to healthy animals.
The samples are examined in a lab and then sent out for sequencing. Computers are used to analyze the sequence by comparing the genomes of several animals within a few weeks rather than a few years. The overall goal is to develop a BSE test for live cattle that is affordable and will benefit both industry and consumers.
The cattle industry will now be able to be the recipients of the new breakthroughs in technology in genomics by having the first ever blood test for mad cow disease. It'll be cost effective, it'll be accurate, and will make sure that the food supply in Canada is clean and ready for export.
The $1.5 million investment by ALMA shows the agency's commitment to helping industry become more competitive and increasing market access.
ALMA is funding this exciting research in a completely new field of total genomics. I think that's the first in Canada, and without ALMA's funding we would not be able to do the work at all.